Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's literally soaring to new heights: drones. From delivering your packages to revolutionizing filmmaking, drones are changing the game in more ways than you might think. Let's get into it. So, what exactly are drones? Well, in technical terms, they're unmanned aerial vehicles, but I like to think of them as flying robots that are here to make our lives easier. And trust me, they're doing just that. First up, let's talk about delivery. Imagine this. You order a pizza, and instead of waiting for a delivery guy, a drone drops it right at your doorstep within minutes. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's becoming a reality. Companies like Amazon and UPS are already experimenting with drone delivery systems that promise to make shipping faster, cheaper, and more environmentally friendly. Next, let's shift gears to agriculture. Farmers are using drones to monitor crops, spray fertilizers, and even sow seeds. This isn't just cool, it's making agriculture more efficient and sustainable. Drones can scan vast fields and provide data that helps farmers make better decisions about water usage and pesticide distribution. Now, for all you filmmakers out there, drones have changed the storytelling game. Aerial shots that once required expensive helicopter rentals are now just a drone flight away. Whether it's sweeping landscapes or dramatic action scenes, drones offer a fresh perspective that can take any film to the next level. But it's not all about commercial benefits. Drones are also playing a crucial role in disaster management. They provide real-time data during emergencies, helping with everything from wildfire tracking to search and rescue operations. It's amazing how these flying machines can be heroes, helping save lives when every second counts. And before I wrap up, let's not forget about the tech behind these drones. Advancements in battery life, stability, and camera technology are making drones more accessible and versatile. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to explore new gadgets or a professional seeking to enhance your business, drones offer a world of possibilities. So there you have it. Drones aren't just cool gadgets. They're powerful tools that are transforming industries and improving our everyday lives. And I, for one, can't wait to see where they'll fly next. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on how technology is shaping our future. Catch you in the next one.